man's destiny can change within a split second. That's why I'm here telling these people about my story. Look, I ain't got no glory, but surely I've been shortly booked and overlooked by people in the past. They just trying to get the cash. Sitting on this bus, I'm on my way to prom. I ain't got no fucking date, little homie, and that's what's wrong. Within my songs, try to let you hear the purity. Keep my beats simple just so you can hear more clearly. My life changed. I was 15 by myself, didn't need nobody help. Didn't see that I was on a path of badness. Smoking weed to be above average, failing all my classes. Said I'm good when I was asked, but I ain't really gon' lie to you. Cause in my songs, the only time I speak the truth, I spit it to the youth. Cause I'm one of them too, I'm only 18 too. I ain't got all of the answers, even though I think I do. Fuck it, I'm good, just like a Hummer to the Republicans. I think too much about my situation, I should love this shit. So much back and forth is tempting, presenting my case to be the rapper who gon' tell the truth right to your face. And yeah, I'm done with it, truthfully man, I'm gon' run with it. Did this shit for fun when I was young and now I'm running shit. Little skinny motherfucker, never getting dates. Yo, my CD ain't come out yet, so until then, dog, I'll wait. Spit the realest, put this shit on vinyl just to feel it. I had some people feel my shit, but nobody could see the deeper part of me I let out in this art, get to know it. I'm a normal dude on most days, but on some days I'm a poet and they know it. I ain't about the blowing up, I'm about the music. They try and call me college rap, but I ain't fucking stupid. I just picked a path for me that might be different from the norm. But if my story was the same as yours, then yo, we'd all be bored. Do you? What's the reason for you acting like a tool? If you're a man, why you looking like a fool? Everybody got a story to tell. These are my stories, man, you know I gotta let you know I'm real. I wrote this in a minute, cause that's how long that it takes to get these lying motherfuckers straight up off the homie case. Yeah, I took a break to let these people wait to see that I ain't what you claim to see when you be looking at me. I ain't that motherfucker rapping about the girls that he getting. I am the dude that got a couple girls I'd love to be hitting. I keep it real, like coming down off of acid. The trip is over for these whack ass rappers who always pushing the Rover. Got the Subaru, the drive through, I'm grabbing a copy. These other rappers want collabs, I tell them get the fuck off me. The 18-year-old rapper who don't need to flex about his age, cause what I've seen in my few years is deeper than an amount of days. My friends chilling, you know on the mic I'm killing like depressed chicks on the Tumblr rap. I wish my life was pictures, but it ain't all good. Yo, I spit it cause someone should let these younger kids know nobody done this before. What I'm trying to tell's my story. If you're listening, I thank you. Just a kid who think too much, I guess my homie, see you later.